Hello, how you doing today? Me doing fine. How about yourself? Well, today I'll be doing bracelets. Don't know how many I'm gonna do, but just know I'm gonna do them. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment down below. Okay, so these are the colors that I'm doing right here on my bracelets. This is the colors that I'm doing. So let's get started on these bracelets. I don't want to use that much. I'm just hook it on there. I don't know how to take some of it off. And I'm gonna do it like this. I would use my bead needle, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do that because sometimes they get on my nerves and then they'll break on me. And I ain't got time to be buying no another one. But I'm gonna see how many I can get up out of this. If I get 2 out, then see how many I can get up out of this. So I want y'all to stay tuned. So what I'm about to do is tie it up in a little bit in a minute when I get these beads on here. And it's just right. So I have the bling on here, which is these right here. I have that on there with pink and pink and orange and white looking, but we're gonna see. So I like this. I like this. And I will be putting it on my website soon. I don't know how many I can make because I only have this many left. So I don't know how many I can do unless I do it some kind of way. But I really like that. I'm going to do it the other way around. I'm going to put 2 colorful ones, spacer and orange, to see how it go and look. But stay tuned and I will be back. If I make a third bracelet out of there, I will be using this pink looking color. It's a peach looking color I'll be using for that. 'Cause it look like I'm running out. And I ain't gonna be able to do it all the way.
We were just kids when we met. How the hell could we know who we were?
And now we know.
Maybe we just know who we're not. Buy the house if you like it. Dave will walk you through it. He's doing my loan.
So I'm gonna do it like this, and
I wasn't looking at you. I just kind of stumbled on it. Sorry, I should have told you. Look, we both knew this was an option when we split. It's not the end of the world.
It's like the end of the world.
I tried. I did. But I have to move on.
Victoria?
That's not what I meant.
But are you?
This is not about her.
I like coming on here doing these with y'all, just to let y'all see what I do, how I do it. I used to be a little shy. I wasn't talking like that, but once you get in front of the camera and stuff, or video for a year or so, then you get the hang of it and start talking. Even though sometimes I'll still be a little quiet because I'm focusing. But I like getting on here and showing y'all what I do. Yep, I do. And I like when y'all comment under my videos and motivate me to say this and that. Yes, I love it. So this is what I got for this one now. So the color I will be using is probably something like this color.
I have to move somewhere.
This color right here in the other beads. If I can't find no more orange in these colors, I probably can't. So I like it already. This is what I got. So I'm gonna look in my stuff to see if I can find some more. If not, I'll get the pink looking out, peach looking color and all that good stuff, and I'll show y'all when I come. Okay, so I got some of it out, and hopefully it will go. This is the pile of beads that I got right here. Looking through it. To see if I can find any more that's the color in the bracelet that I did, but obviously it's not. So
delighted you're staying more than the requisite few days. Not exactly what we're accustomed to with our American guests. Now, we've got continental or full English breakfast starting at 8 in the morning and a lovely dinner starting at 8 in the evening. You just let us know whether we can expect you. Sort of takes the guesswork out.
trying to see colors.
Oh no, thank you.
And double some of them.
Awfully tired, not very hungry.
Oh, right. Well, now we've got a lovely room for you. Yes, right next door, nice and quiet. Come, I'll help you.
Yeah, that's right.
Here we are. Home sweet home.
And I'll be back with what all of it's gonna look like. So about done with it again, and I ran out of the spacers. make sure that it's right. I don't want to, sit here and have or do something different on this bracelet. I want it the same. Hold on, let's see. I think I'm gonna put another spacer on here. For it to look right and good. So I'm done with these sets right here.
Excuse me.
And I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. Okay, these is all three of them. I like it. It's cute. And but yeah, I like these. Don't mind the, what I just did. I was taking a picture of it so I could put it as my display, or I might not. I don't know, but this is what I got right here. What do y'all think? Comment below. What do y'all think how I did? And if you would rock it or whatever the case may be. But get into it.
Nellie Gibbon. I mean, I was Eleanor Kendall, but my identity was stolen. And I'm guessing by...
Yep, I like it. But this is the end of my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll know when me, post another video. Oh yeah, make sure, don't forget to comment down below on this. See y'all in the next video. Bye.